Hey family, welcome back to Kadosh Tubes, and today the month of August has started with a lot of red lines. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, EOS, everything is down. No token is trending today but Pulsechain. Now Pulsechain is in the news today because of some negative news, and you can see already the price has been eroded by 40%. Why is Pulsechain crashing? That is because SEC has filed a lawsuit against the founder of Pulsechain, Richard Hart, and also against all of its projects including Hex, PLSX and Pulsechain, the network itself. Now everyone knows that Pulsechain is a fork of Ethereum. It is there to make your transaction smooth. The gas fee will be lower as compared to Ethereum, and it is the better version of Ethereum as per the founder Richard Hart. Now this is Pulsechain. You can see the price has been crashed, the token has been crashed, and if we look at this part, the other entities of Pulsechain, PLS down by 41%, then we have PLSX down by 43%, then INC down by 43%, and then we have Hex down by 41%. So this isn't a good news. So we are going to break down what the SEC has to say about Pulsechain and against Richard Hart. So stay with me till the end of the video, and remember, if you are new here, do remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And if you want to join or looking for the right crypto community that can help you grow, remember to check out the link here in the description of this video and join our Telegram channel. That will help you grow in the right direction. So just look at this tweet by Wikibit, which says SEC sues Richard Hart, Wayne, Hex and Pulsechain founder allegedly misused $12 million of luxury goods. SEC allegations are still unproven. He deserves a fair trial and presumption of innocence. So you can see him shopping right over here with Louis Vuitton bag, and he is known for such spending, lavish spending. That's why he is in the news for most of the times, and this time the SEC has caught his spending spree and filed a charge sheet against him. So what is the case about that we need to discuss? So just look at the Richard Hart Twitter first. So there is no concrete update from him. All I can say is there is one tweet which he said about crypto. Gotta ask you what it is like getting hacked and exploited all the time. So this is the post, and this is very well written by Decrypt. You can see SEC charges Hex founder Richard Hart with $1 billion unregistered security offerings, which means all the offerings by Richard Hart, including Hex, PLS and PLSX, are all unregistered securities. These are the three assets that has been charged: Pulsechain, Pulsex and Hex. Now Hart and Pulsechain are both facing charges for allegedly using $12 million in the offering proceed to buy luxury goods, including a 555 carat black diamond called Enigma. Wow, I don't know why SEC is after each and every detail, but let's continue. If you are holding Pulsechain, if you know about Pulsechain, if you're holding Hex, you already know that I have covered a lot about Pulsechain when the chain was launched. A detailed playlist is already there. So if you're facing any issue with Pulsechain or Pulsechain DEX, or maybe unable to transact, just check out any of this video. Each detail has been covered by me in detail, and all your answer will be in there in this playlist. So let's go back and talk about what's going on. So Hart began marketing Hex in 2018, claiming it was the first high yield blockchain certificate of deposit, and began promoting Hex token as an investment designed to make people rich. So this is the complaint of SEC. Moreover, they say that Richard deliberately attempted to evade security laws by urging Hex investor to sacrifice crypto asset instead of investing them. Now again, this is another question that you may need to ask. If you are someone who is part of the sacrifice, do you believe that he deliberately attempted to evade security laws by urging you as an investor to sacrifice your crypto? Comment below and let everyone know about your opinion, because it matters more than what SEC has to say against Pulsechain. The SEC lawsuit has been filed in the US District Court for the Eastern District of New York and claims Hart boasted that Hex was built to be the highest appreciating asset that has ever existed in the history of man. Okay, that's cool. Moreover, they have pinpointed some of his lavish spending, that including 534k on a McLaren sports car, 314k on Ferrari Roma, and over $3.4 million on 5 Rolex watches. And that is the reason he has been caught by SEC, because SEC always monitor the high spending rates, and maybe his lavish spending, like I just showed you, his Louis Vuitton bag, maybe caught the attention of SEC, and Gary did not like people spending higher than him. Maybe that can be the case. So at present, PLS and PLSX are practically worthless. Of course, the SEC is now demanding a jury trial. So this is very important. The SEC is demanding the jury trial, and among its demand, it wants to permanently ban Hart as well as his projects from selling crypto asset securities. So this can be a big blow to PLS and PLSX holders. You can see the price is still going down and down. It is not able to recover today at least, but again, this can be a sign for a purchase for many of the buyers. So what do you think? Will you buy this drop, or you think that after the SEC case, the Pulsechain network will go down the drain slowly and steadily? I personally don't think that it can give up so easily. There will be a lot of hearings that has to be done. Of course, this can be a diversion by SEC after it lost its lawsuit again Ripple last month. So that's about the case. Comment below, share your thoughts, and if you have any doubt, just comment, or also watch this playlist to understand what is Pulsechain and what role does it play in the blockchain ecosystem. Remember to watch the video shared on the end screen. These are all about Pulsechain. Remember to join our Telegram community and subscribe to my channel for such updates every single day. I see you in a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.